Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a Marketer Magic review. But what we're going to focus on in this particular video is one of their features that allows you to remove the background from any image that you want. So whether you're working on your funnel, your website, whatever it is that you want, where you want to remove a picture, this is actually going to work for you. And I'm going to show you how simple it is, all right? All right, so with that being said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, let me go ahead and minimize my camera, and we're going to get right into it. All right, so I have my camera minimized, and you can see that we are inside of the Marketer Magic back office. So the first thing you want to do in order to do this is you're going to see some tabs over here, okay? So we're going to go here to the background trimmer. All right, so just kind of let it load up here, and once it loads up, I'm going to upload a picture in, and then I'm going to show you how simple it is to make this thing happen, all right? So first things first, you want to go to upload your image. All right, and then you can see right here it says drag a file or just browse. So I'm going to hit browse. All right, so just for sake of time, I don't want this to go too long because this is a very simple process, and you will see here in a minute. But I'm just going to use the first thing that pops up for me. So I'm going to use one of my thumbnails. All right, so I'm going to hit open, and then it's pretty much going to upload the photo, and then it's going to take it through the process of removing the background. On one side, it's going to show you the original, and then on the other side, it's going to show you the background. So as you can see, already it did it for me. But I'm actually glad that this happened to where you can actually see there's a little bit of red that's still left there, right? Because you want a tool that's that you can actually see, okay, if this happens, what do I actually need to do? Okay, so I want to show you that. So I'm actually glad that that happened. All right, so as you can see, it removed pretty much everything that I needed. But what happens when something like this happens? All right, so what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on remove tool. Okay, now you don't want to put it over here. What you're going to do is you're going to pretty much mirror it from over here. So as you can see, I have this right here, right? Well, this area right here, right? So if I wanted to remove that, I would just have to make sure it's set over here for it to be set over here, okay? So pay attention to the other side. All right, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to click into that box, and it's going to remove it for me. Okay, boom. As you can see, it removed that particular area. Now you can see that was very simple. It wasn't anything complicated. It's not you trying to, go through these little small spots and then erasing your arm and all that other stuff. It's very simple to do. All right, so now we got some smaller areas. So what do we do in smaller areas? Well, we're going to need a smaller brush, right? So I'm going to go here to where it's at 20, and I'm going to bring it to about 5, right? And then I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to see, remember, we're mirroring it from the original over to the finished product in order for it to work, okay? So right here, if I put my little dot in this particular area, matter of fact, let's just do this area first. All right, so we got this little area over here that's close to my arm, and then I'm just going to click that and see what happens. So boom, it didn't remove my arm, and the picture is still good to go. All right, so now we're going to go over here. I'm thinking more or less we're probably going to need an even smaller one. I'm willing to go with like a probably either a 3 or a 4 should work perfectly in this particular spot. All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to make sure my dot is in that area good enough to see if we can get what we want. All right, so looks like it didn't okay, perfect. So as you can see, it's a little bit of red there, but with any of these softwares that allow you to do it, they're not going to be 100% perfect. But as you can see, it's done a pretty good job in removing the background, right? So it's really a simple process to be able to use this inside of Marketer's Magic. It's literally a all-in-one software for businesses. And throughout this series, I'm pretty much going to be showing you pretty much all the features, and then you'll be able to see how beneficial this is going to be for your business. But before we get out of here, I'm going to actually show you how you can actually make money doing exactly this. So you can pretty much turn your marketer magic software into something that's actually making you money versus you just working on stuff for your particular business, right? So there's a website called Fiverr.com, right? And on Fiverr, right, this is where a lot of freelancers are. What you could actually do, I'm gonna just kind of break it down. You can actually make money by removing backgrounds for people. And people actually pay money for this, and I'm about to show you. So if I go over here to the search box and I type remove background, so you can see it's already showing up right here. Remove background from image. All right, and I'm going to show you what people are charging to be able to do this. So as you can see, this person right here is charging $5. Pretty much most times, most of these people are going to be charging $5 because it's not a task that's you can charge, $10 or $15 unless you do, and even then, he's removing background 300 images, right? All of these people are charging $5. So this could be just, another way that you can make income. But let's say you're only charging $5, but then you do maybe 5 or 10 of those a day, right? So you got to look at it as like more of a compounding thing than anything, right? It's not going to be like a significant amount of income with you doing this, but it is another way for you to make money. So that's one website. The other website is called Upwork.com. They're very similar. And what they do is pretty much a lot of freelancers on there, people who have certain skill sets, but you can literally turn this into another income stream, even if it's not anything significant, okay? So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And if you want to pick up Marketer's Magic, I'll leave the first link in the description down below. That is a free trial. It'll be for 7 days. You can try it out, and if you enjoy it, continue to move forward. But if not, that's fine as well. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.